In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a sales funnel using Wix completely for free. So to kick things off, I'm just going to give you an overview of the sales funnel that we're going to be building out. This is just your basic opt-in sales funnel. So we start things off with a landing page where I offer a free resource to incentivize visitors to submit their information. And once they do submit their information, they will be sent a automated email with that free resource included that I promise in the landing page. Once they submit their information, they will also get taken to a sales page where I basically will promote the product that I'm trying to sell. And once they click through the sales page, they will land on the affiliate product page. This, of course, is the product that I'm trying to sell. I'll show it to you really quickly. It's basically a ebook, or a couple of ebooks rather, on plant-based food. So this is a plant-based cookbook, and there are a couple other products that you get as well, other resources. And, going back to the landing page for just a second, this free resource that I'm going to be sending subscribers, I have yet to create it, but it's more or less going to be a free report on the 10 benefits of becoming vegan or something like that. And the benefit of capturing emails earlier on in the funnel is that once you capture their information, your visitors' information, then you have an opportunity to continue to promote your affiliate product to them via email. Because the vast majority of people that go through your sales funnels are only going to opt in for this free resource that you're offering, and they're not going to purchase your affiliate product. So by capturing their information earlier on, you now have another opportunity to promote the affiliate product on the back end. Cool. So we're going to dive right in. If you haven't signed up for Wix, I recommend you do so. Again, it's completely free. And Wix has a wide variety of templates you can choose from. For our purposes, we are going to just go ahead and create a sales funnel completely from scratch with a blank template. All right, so this is going to be our landing page. I'm just going to go ahead and call it landing page. And we're going to build it out really quickly. We're not going to do anything too fancy. But as you can see, Wix has this nice drag and drop editor that is extremely easy to use. I'm going to go ahead and add a form, subscribe form. Boom. And like I said, the free resource we're going to be offering is going to be just a free report on the 10 benefits of becoming vegan. So I'm just going to say, where should we send free reports on the 10 benefits of becoming vegan? So that will prompt them to fill out this form and submit. And once they do submit, like I said, they will get an automated email message with that free report that I've yet to create. I'm going to create that later. And I'm also going to show you how to set up that email automation in just a second. Cool. So this is good enough for now. Again, that is our landing page. Now we're going to create a sales page. Just like that. And we're going to add an image for the sales page. Yeah, given that I'm promoting a vegan product, this image seems to be pretty fitting. I'm gonna go and delete this. We don't need this. Really just want the image. And we're gonna add a few other elements. Just bear with me for a second. You're gonna see what I'm trying to do in just a second. Boom, boom. And now I'm gonna add some text. So I'm just gonna say your free report is on its way. Shrink that down. And I'm going to say, but before you go, I want to show you a vegan cookbook that has changed my life. Create some interest there. Boom, and we're going to add a button. Boom, this is our CTA right here. Make it red to really pop out. And, I mean, this isn't perfect, but it's good enough for now. And we're going to go ahead and add a link. Like I said, we're going to link out to this affiliate product right here. I'm going to open this up in a new window. Perfect. And we're going to go back to our landing page in just a second. First, we're just going to publish the site. And as for this button, we're also going to link this page to our sales page. Perfect. So again, once visitors submit their information, they will get taken to this page. Once they click this button right here, they will get taken to this affiliate product, which they can purchase. Awesome. All right, now that that's all set, we are going to exit the editor and we're going to set up that email automation. So to set that up, you're going to go to customer management and you're going to go to automations. You can set up one automation for free, which is awesome. And for the trigger, we are going to select Wix Forms. Visitor submits a specific form, and this subscriptions form is the form that we created for the landing page. So we want to select that one. And we can choose a follow-up action. So we want to send an email. You can customize this if you so wish. It's something I'm going to go back and do. And we can go in and edit the template. It's kind of beyond the scope of the video, but basically you can edit the template just as easily as you can build out a web page with Wix, just with the drag and drop builder. And as I mentioned before, I'm going to include the free resource that I promised in the landing page later on. But for now, we're just going to activate, and we're going to call it new automation. Sure, why not? Automation is now live. Perfect. And yeah, I mean, in a nutshell, that is how you can create a sales funnel using Wix. It's really not that difficult. Super easy to set up with Wix. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was helpful.